Hello, and welcome to CompuTop's second digital literacy lesson on computer basics. In this video, we will go over the basic parts of a laptop and how to start using your laptop. This lesson will focus on laptops, but many aspects of computer usage are similar to desktops. Let's go over the three main parts of a laptop once more. First, the screen. This is the top part of your laptop where you can see everything you're doing on the computer or online. Second, the keyboard. This is the bottom part of your laptop that sits on the table that you can press buttons on. Third, the touchpad. This is a mouse that is already built into the computer. We'll talk more about the touchpad later. Using the keyboard and touchpad, we can tell the screen what we want to see and hear. Now, let's turn our computer on. Different computers sometimes have the on-off button in different places, but it is usually at the very top of your computer or laptop keyboard, and the symbol will always be similar to this, a circle with a short line coming down at the top. Once you press the power button, your computer will begin to power up. If it is not powering up, try plugging it in with your charger and giving it a moment before pressing the power button again. When you are done using your laptop, always remember to hit the power button once to turn your laptop off. This saves your laptop battery and makes sure no one can log on to your computer while you are away and access your information. Once your computer is powered on, you will see a welcome image with the time. Click any key on the keyboard to continue to the password screen. You will then see a screen asking for the password to log in. Having a password makes sure that only the people who should be using your computer are using it. Once you create your password, write it down on a piece of paper and keep it somewhere safe in case you forget it. If you were issued a CompuTop computer, unless you changed it, the password will be the word password, P-A-S-S-W-O-R-D, all lowercase. Enter your password to open your computer. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, meaning they need to be entered exactly the same with the same upper and lowercase letters to work. If you are having trouble entering your password, make sure the caps lock button is not on. Once you have turned your laptop on, check to see what the battery level is. Laptops have batteries in them to power them, just like any electronic. Laptop batteries are rechargeable, but if it gets too low, it can turn off before you save your work, and your work can be deleted. To make sure your computer is charged, look for the battery icon at the bottom right of your screen. If you think your battery may be low, or it is showing a warning that it is low, then make sure you use your power cord to plug it in. Once it is charging, you should see a small lightning or plug symbol on the icon. If you do not see the lightning symbol, your computer is not charging. Check that everything is plugged in correctly. Desktops will not have batteries as they stay plugged in at all times. Charging your laptop is an important part of owning one, so let's go over it. There are many different types of chargers, so make sure you are using the charger that came with your laptop, or it may not work. To charge your laptop, first make sure any knots or kinks in the cord are undone. If there are knots, it may not charge properly. Some chargers come as two separate cords that connect in a small rectangular box. Make sure that your charger is either one continuous cord or, if it is two separate cords, that they are firmly connected and plugged into the box. Once all the cords are untangled and connected, plug the three-pronged end of the cord into a regular wall outlet. Finally, locate the charging port on your laptop. This will be a small hole that matches the size and shape of the free end of the charging cord. Once you locate this, gently push the charger into the charging port. Do not force the charger into the port. If the charger is not going into the port easily, it may be the incorrect port or angle. Once your computer is successfully plugged in, you should see a small lightning bolt or plug image on the battery icon. If you see a lightning bolt, plug, or additional image in your battery icon, this means your computer is successfully charging. Remember, charging only applies to laptops because desktops are always plugged in and they do not need to be charged. This concludes CompuTop's second digital literacy lesson on computer basics. Our next video will go over keyboard basics, including important keys on the keyboard and how to use them. Please click on the next video in the series to learn more. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.